If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can add a threaded comment to a document in Word for other people to read. Often you use threaded comments in Word when reviewing changes to a shared workbook. Word for Microsoft 365 uses threaded comments. Threaded comments let other users reply to your comment. You can also reply to others' comments. Threaded comments in Word appear at the right side of the document in a contextual view by default. However, you can also change their appearance to show them as word balloon icons in the right margin, or show them in a list in a pane at the right side of the Word application window. To insert a new threaded comment into a Word document, select the document content to which to add the comment. Then click the New Comment button in the Comments button group on the Review tab of the ribbon. Word then creates a new threaded comment which shows the default username of the current Microsoft 365 user. Type the comment to post into the text box here. Then click the Post Comment button in the threaded comment. To respond to a post within a threaded comment in Word for Microsoft 365, click into the Reply field, type your reply, and then click the Post Reply button to finish. The posted reply then appears as a separate comment within the larger threaded comment. You can only edit your own comments within a threaded comment in Word for Microsoft 365. To edit one of your threaded comments, roll over the comment to edit within the threaded comment and click the Edit Comment button. Then edit the comment and click the Post Comment checkmark button below it. To delete an entire threaded comment in Word for Microsoft 365, select the threaded comment to delete. Then click the Delete button in the Comments button group on the Review tab of the ribbon. Separately, to delete a posted reply comment within a larger threaded comment, hover over the Reply to Delete within the threaded comment. Then click the More Comment Actions button that appears towards the upper right corner of the comment and select the Delete Comment command from its drop-down menu. Separately, to mark a threaded comment in Word for Microsoft 365 as resolved, which keeps the threaded comment in the document but locks the thread from further comments, hover over the threaded comment to mark as resolved. Click the More Thread Actions button in its upper right corner, which looks like an ellipsis mark, and then select the Resolve Thread command. The threaded comment then appears as a word balloon icon with a check mark in it in the document's margin. If needed, to reopen a resolved threaded comment, click this icon to show the comment in the Comments pane at the right side of the window. Then, click the Reopen button at the top of the comment, which looks like a backward circling arrow, to reopen the threaded comment for further commenting again. To close the Comments pane, click the X button in its upper right corner. To view a threaded comment in Word, click it to select it. It then appears on screen so you can read it. If desired, to start reading a selected threaded comment in Word for Microsoft 365, and then move through all the other threaded comments, which you may want to do if there are many threaded comments in a document. Either click the Previous Comment or Next Comment button in the Comments button group on the Review tab of the ribbon to move through all the threaded comments. To view comments in a list in Word for Microsoft 365, click the drop-down part of the Show Comments button in the Comments button group on the Review tab of the ribbon, and then choose the List command. To instead show contextual comments in Word for Microsoft 365, Click the drop-down part of the Show Comments button, and then select the Contextual command. Alternatively, to toggle showing comments in the Word document, or just showing icons for the comments in the margins in Word, click the Show Comments button in the Comments button group on the Review tab of the ribbon to toggle their display. You can print threaded comments in a document in Word for Microsoft 365, either on a separate sheet that lists all the document changes, or print them as they appear on screen. You can also hide threaded comments from printing on a document in Word for Microsoft 365 too. To set the options for printing threaded comments in Word for Microsoft 365, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then select the Print command at the left side of the Backstage view. To print a list of markup changes only, which shows the changes to the Word document in a list without the document's content, click the List of Markup choice from the Document Info section of the drop-down menu that appears when you click the first drop-down under the Settings section to the right in the Backstage view. Then print the document info to see the list. You cannot see the list of markup changes in the print preview. Alternatively, to print a Word document and show its threaded comments, select the desired pages to print by selecting the desired choice from the Document section of the drop-down menu that appears when you click the first drop-down under the Settings section to the right in the Backstage view. Then click the same drop-down again and ensure there is a check mark in front of the Print Markup command in the same drop-down menu. If there isn't a check mark, then click the command to toggle it on. If checked, this setting prints the most recent reply for each threaded comment on a page when it prints the document. Alternatively, to hide the printing of threaded comments in Word, click to uncheck the Print Markup command and hide the display of the document comments in the print job. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.